Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. It is your host, Chelly, with Flash Custom Transfers, owner operator. Today I'm going to give you some key advantages and strategies with owning your very own printing empire. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get a piece of paper, take some notes, because we're about to get into all of the advantages and strategies to owning your very own printing empire. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So our first slide, bulk orders. With bulk orders and wholesale. So with your own DTF printer, you have the capabilities to fulfill bulk orders and cater to wholesale clients, which means offering wholesale options can attract larger clients and bulk buyers, resulting in higher sales volumes. Exactly what we need. And for our next slide, with owning your own printer, you can collaborate with local businesses or events for custom printing projects to reach new customers and generate more income. So those partnerships and collaborations that we always tell you about, get in your community, reach out to local businesses, reach out to churches, reach out to schools, and create those collaborations so we can increase your sales. Ultimately, that's what we want to do, always increase sales. So for our next one, brand building. So by owning your own printer, you have the opportunity to build your brand and reputation as a trusted provider for quality custom printed products. So on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Shopify, you can showcase your creativity and craftsmanship and attention to detail, setting yourself apart from the competitors who rely on solely selling transfers. Exactly how you found us. You found us on YouTube, and we were able to showcase our product, showcase our journey, showcase our creativity, and that is essentially what grew our brand. So everything that I am showing you, these strategies and key advantages, we also use within our Flash Custom Transfers business and straight out of content. With owning your own printer, you can also offer extra services such as graphic designing, artwork creation, customization consultation. So providing an expert guidance and assistance through the design and printing process can set your business apart from competitors and justify those premium pricing. You guys know we offer vector services, we offer gang chic setup, and other businesses do not. So that is what sets us apart. So you can also do that as well. With owning your own printer, you can also implement loyalty programs to encourage repeat business and referrals, keeping those customers coming back for more, such as offering discounts, exclusive promotions, and reward points. As you guys know, we had Flash Plus. I forgot, Flash Plus, which was a subscription, which was $8.99, and you were able to get those discounted rates with your subscription. And quality and innovation. Emphasize the quality of your prints and stay updated with the latest technology to attract those customers willing to pay more for those superior products. Continuously innovate and stay ahead of the industry trends to set your business apart. Quality, as you guys know, we have the strongest transfers in the world. We always emphasize that just so we can attract those customers. Sales, sales, sales. Also, with owning your own printer, you're allowed to have that flexibility, the more flexible in terms of turnaround time and order quantities. You can accommodate the rush orders and the small batch orders, catering to a wide range of customers, including individuals, small businesses, and large corporations. You are in charge of your flexibility. Creative control. With your own printer, you have the creative freedom to experiment with different designs, materials, techniques, and you can stay ahead of those trends, offering unique products and cater to those niche markets, giving you a competitive edge in the industry. As you guys know, you've seen us experiment with all types of things on our channel. So like I said, we also use these advantages. And while purchasing a printer, yes, it is a long-term investment. While purchasing the printer, it does require an initial investment. It can be lucrative long-term investment that pays off in the form of increased profits and business growth. As you build your customer base and reputation, the printer becomes a valuable asset that generates a constant revenue, and that is exactly what we want. We want to generate constant revenue. By following these simplified strategies, you can make the most money owning your DTF printer and grow your printing business. So let's go ahead and go straight to Flash Printing Depot and see where we can purchase our very own DTF printer. So we are at Flash Printing Depot. Now that we know how to make money with our printer, let's go ahead and see how we can purchase a printer, a Mamaki printer at that, the best in the game. If you know, you know. So you can head on over to flashprintingdepot.com, and as you can see, you scroll down, we have our Mamaki. Oh, let me go ahead and go to home. Here we go. Number 1 DTF printer in the world. You scroll down, you can see we have the Mamaki TXF 150-75 available. The 300s are on back order right now, but they will be available soon. You are able to pre-order those TXF 300s-75. But right now we have 150s in stock. We have the 150 with the 24-inch shaker and the 150s with the 32-inch shaker. We also have the BMAC Industries shaker, the 32-inch shaker. That, hold on, is this 32 or 24? Hold on one second. 32, yes, I stand corrected, the 32-inch shaker. That is American made. If you can go ahead and click here and you can buy it, add it to cart, 25. If you do not have that available, you can head on over to our equipment financing tab. Here we are partnered with First Citizens Bank. You can go ahead and click here to apply. And Andy, he will handle all of your accounts. Shout out to Andy. He's been so helpful through this process. You go ahead and fill out your business application. You do need all your business information, and you will get an answer in within seconds, minutes, possibly. So go ahead and fill that out, and you are able to get your own financing as well, financing institution if you need to. So that is us. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com, or you can head on over to flashprintingdepot.com to take a look at what we have. And if you do have a printer, you can go ahead and hit our consumables tabs as well to help you get some DTF powder, inks, films, things like that. So we will see you guys next time. Bye.